Welcome friends, Time with Abshayan. This Friday we will discuss regarding dental materials that we use very commonly in our daily life. Medical devices are plenty in the use of dental medicine. The oral cavity contains teeth which calls for daily attention and forms the basis of our health. Our heart, lungs and digestive systems are affected when your oral hygiene is not proper or having an unkept teeth. So, when we have problems with our teeth, a pain or sensitivity, we go to our dentist and they say that the coating of your teeth is affected, the chewing surfaces may become black, so there is an intention of the teeth to form cavities. So, the dental surgeon will clean the teeth and put a sealant or just like coat of paint on your teeth so that it will block the food particles and germs from attacking the teeth. And these sealants, when they are used, they prevent caries or blackening of teeth and pitting of teeth. Various materials are used, filling materials, amalgams, gutta-percha, glass ionomer, composite materials. All these materials could be used as sealants or the primary coat of the teeth. Teeth also could be used gold, porcelain, silver amalgam, which consists of mercury mixed with silver, tin and zinc, maybe sometimes copper also, sometimes tooth-colored plastic, ceramics, then composite resin fillings, that is a mixture of plastics. There is also a material that contains glass particles and is known as glass ionomizer or glass ionomizer cement. Let us see what are amalgam fillings. Amalgam has been used in dental professional for more than a century, especially by the army doctors, because it becomes simple to keep, simple to preserve and very easy to serve the soldiers who don't have much time to come for repeated sittings in the dental clinic. They are strong and are therefore ideal for filling cavities. Up to molars they can go and fill. These amalgams are made up of mixture of metals, that's something called alloys, but they have a different color, so it becomes not aesthetic when somebody is happen to look into your mouth while you are talking, laughing, smiling, singing and all that. They may see different colors on your different teeth and it looks bad. So amalgams are not used for rich persons or artists. Gutta-percha is a material used to fill a tooth and it is taken out of the gum of a plant which is very common and initially was used in France. This material is so strong and cheap that they have been used as permanent filling. The root canal is filled by a rubber-like substance, and as soon as some time is passed, this rubber-like material becomes very solid and very tight and provides a good sealant to any kind of cavities or root canal fillings. Metals are used for filling. Gold, silver, amalgam are the most common metals used in cavity filling. Gold filling can cost 10 times as silver amalgam fillings, but some people prefer appearances of gold to silver amalgams. The good thing about metal filling is they last for 10 to 15 years if you are not going to misuse your if you are not going to misuse your teeth. Ceramic cavity filling is the costliest. They are called porcelain. It is tooth colored. It may be less likely to show tooth stains over time than a composite cavity filling. But the price factor, a ceramic cavity filling may be as nearly expensive as a gold cavity filling. Glass ionomer cement is a blend of acrylic and glass beads. Glass ionomer is a blend of acrylic and glass that is used to create cavity filling that releases a fluoride to help protect the teeth. But a glass ionomer cavity filling is less durable than all other types and may need to be replaced in as little as 5 years. Composite fillings are an attractive option because they are closely matched to the color of your teeth. However, composite fillings are more expensive than silver amalgam fillings and are not as durable. Ceramic fillings are made of porcelain and are very aesthetically pleasing option that is also very durable. Composite fillings are very attractive option than the amalgam fillings, but they are less durable and more costly. Ceramic fillings are more costly and attractive. They don't stain with your foods or whatever you take. Even smokers can use ceramic fillings so that they don't get the smoker's stain. And the latest development is that, for the place of braces, metallic braces could be replaced with ceramic braces, which are very transparent and very costly too. Braces are used to adjust distance between the teeth which are far away and which are not straight in line. So braces are used to correct the shape of the teeth, so that sometimes it may be straightening, sometimes it may be bending of the teeth in the jaw. And see, the dental procedure, for some persons there may be a long jaw, for some people there may be a short jaw, micrognathy. So these things can be corrected by the dental surgeon using different types of braces and minor surgeries. And another material, dental material, is used for implants. Suppose you lost 1 or 2 teeth in an accident, artificial teeth can be placed in their place by putting small pillars in the jaw and fitting them with dental implants. These dental implants can be made up of ceramics, metal, or synthetic material. So there are different types of implants. Mini implants and maxi implants are there. That depends upon the advice of the doctor which implant is best for you. Doctor will decide which implant is best for you. You cannot direct the doctors. Only thing is that you can give your opinion on the material used as implants depending upon the cost of the various implants. Titanium implants are available. Titanium, aluminum, vanadium implants are available. So they are very costly but durable and very much biocompatible, especially titanium implants. And metals, you can use various alloys, metal alloys. Metal alloys means I told that the titanium could be used and the vitalium. Along with titanium alloys, cobalt chromium alloys are finding good place in dental material. They are used for dental arches in the mouth, supporting the upper jaw, and used as wires for braces and for implant materials also. They are finding very much use in dentistry. They are costly, but they are very much durable and very much biocompatible, accepted by the body. Moreover, they can take the strain of chewing and they can really work as a mill in the mouth. So friends, this Friday we are winding up the program with the discussion on dental materials. So next Friday we will see with another topic. Kindly note that there is a Malayalam version of this coming up in this Friday itself. Tell your friends about what you see and what you hear. Write to me about your comments about the program, and if you have any doubts or questions, kindly ask me. Thank you.